Good morning, shaving nation. November, Saturday. Dobro, this is 11 o'clock. I have a shower, I'm ready for shaving, let's say. First, cheers. Im Oca, Sina i Svetoga Duha. Polish beer is not bad at all. Okay, I'm so excited today because my beautiful wife Lily, she bought me a nice present, shaving mug. I already have one. I have another one, but this is Skadel shaving mug with have a chamber, boiling water here, and they keep. I have to try now. They keep soap and brush heat during the shaving. Hey, it's beautiful, man. Beautiful art. Boom. For my wife Lily. And I put some mark here. And my daughter Sandra is here. I drill hole through the handle. It's very hard to do it. Don't do it. It almost is not impossible. But okay, I'm a machinist. I know how to do it. Carbide drill. Beautiful stuff. Okay, forget about this now. We have to start to do the shaving. Prepare the soap and everything. Here is a razor, disinfection. And we start to do shaving. Proraso soap, with soap. Oh, I forget something. Soap supposed to be thick and very good for no air. Oh, it's coming good. It is warm, eh? This is how it looks. Oh. Warm the hay. Oh, the beard is 8 day old. It's pretty big. Proraso pre-shaving cream. Pre-shaving cream, Borg Excellent. Massage into the face and relax. I like to put just a little bit Proraso creamy soap. Only touch in the hand. And massage into the face, yeah? Extra protection. Everything's supposed to be on the time, yeah? Soap is good. Oh, hot, man. Hey, Lily, thank you very much for present. Oh, baby, you are the best, eh? Now this is ultimate checkup. Everything looks nice. Foam is good. Warm. Hit the blade. Hit the blade just for the leg. Oh, I forget something. Take the beer, then enjoy the shaving. Smooth. Oh. 8-day-old beer. No resistance at all. In this moment, I shave only with these parts of the 10mm maybe, of the blade, eh? Less resistance. Beautiful. Just a little bit moisturizing. It is hot. Left hand. Here you have to be just a little bit careful, yeah? so far it's beautiful. In this moment I cut only 10 millimeters from here. Beautiful. Now we go second pass. Pre-shaving cream for second pass, eh? Eucalyptus oil. Still it's warm, eh? Beautiful. Art. This is art. Skadel art. It's working excellent. Again, thank you to my wife. Beautiful wife. I love you, baby. In this moment, I put the soap on the face by hand, yeah? No brush. To avoid irritation, huh? Nobody likes irritation. Too fast is more than enough. Very smooth, very smooth. Blade is going freely, no pressure. I don't put any pressure on the blade. Oh, my daughter. Hi, Sandra. Soap is getting, in winter, very quickly dry, let's say. Clean the face with hot water and after cold water. Coldest which you have it. Beautiful. Now trusty towel. This is how face looking, even I'm not putting collagen water still. No irritation, no cut off, nothing. Okay. Now choose the collagen water. Everything is excellent. But I take Floyd. You know, I take the Floyd, old-fashioned Berber style. Couple of seconds. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Massage gentleman into the face. That's enough. Beauty. Okay, this is the shaving, man. Again, after collagen water. Classic Berber pictures for my daughter Sandra. What can I do? Boom, boom, boom. And this is Cuddle, working perfectly good. Excellent. Brush is here. Hot water is here. I have to clean it now. Still it's warm, man, after second pass. Okay guys, have a good weekend. Enjoy in winter shaving. Ja? Noć sa Sina i Svetoga Duha. Živjeli.